Hello viewer, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech 2 Easy. So today we will learn how we can create plugin in Dynamics 65 CRM. So before we started, if you are new into our YouTube channel, so hit on the subscribe button below. So let's start it. So before going through the steps which we have to follow for creating a plugin, I will tell you some scenario in which scenario we can create plugin. As you know, in the Dynamics 65 CRM, we have various type of customization. Like so, using business tool and some customization is AutoWorks and some customization is custom customization. So for custom customization, like we have to write some code. You know, so in right, so we have we can in case of writing the code, we have two options is here. Like one is web resource, second one is plugin. So in web resource we have multiple languages selected like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so we can create web resources and we can create plugin as well. So what is difference between both? In case if we will go with the web resource, so what is difference between both? Like in web resource we can write code only for the front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. JavaScript also is a front end scripting language, right? But if you want to write some code on the server side, so in that case we have to use plugin, because using plugin only we can write code in server side. We can execute our logic in server side. So for that we have to use plugin. So in plugin we can write our code in either VB.NET or C# we can use. Okay. So what is that we have to follow in plugin? First we have to create a project in Visual Studio, class library project. Okay. So at the time of creating project we can select class library project, and in the next video I will tell you with demo how we can create a plugin which tool we can use. Like we have to use two tools basically: Visual Studio for creating a plugin and plugin registration tool for registering the plugin. So in this video I will tell you how the process and some steps which we can follow for creating a plugin. So if you want to uh, see the demo for the same, so stay tuned with our YouTube channel. I will upload the next video on the demo, how we can create a plugin with demo. So like as I was telling you, like first we have to create the class level project. Okay, second step is we have to add some dependency, Dynamics 65 CRM dependencies. Okay, after adding the dependency we have to write our custom logic in the plugin code, which we also call as like a call operation. Okay, and in third step what we will do, like sorry, in the fourth step what we will do, we will sign in the class library, because we, without sign in we can't upload our, like yeah, we can say we can't register the plugin into the Dynamics 65 CRM. So first we have to sign in the class library. After sign in, we have to register our plugin. So using for registering the plugin we have to use plugin registration tool. This is provided by the Microsoft. It's a tool which we will use for the registering our plugin. And in plugin we can see various type of like um, steps is there in the plugin registration tool as well. We call that like plugin pipeline. So in plugin pipeline we have some stages. So like first is pre-validation. Okay, so uh, like it's basically on which event, like if we want to trigger our code when a like new lead created in Dynamics 65 CRM. So we want to trigger our code custom logic, and if we want to trigger our code on the basis of update delete, so we can do that. Okay, so there is a some stages like plugin pipeline stages. First is pre-validation, then pre-operation, then main operation, and post-operation. Pre-validation is basically um for adding some validations. We use pre-validation and execute before the main operation, and it's uh, it's not related with the database transaction. And the pre-operation is also execute before the main operation, and but this is inside the database transaction. And main operation is nothing like but here we can write our custom code. It's a main operation. So we have uh, in the main operation we have some actions such as create, update, delete, shown. So and in the post operation, this is also related to the database transaction. And in the post operation, it's a operation after the main operation. Okay, as as we are able to know with their name as well, post operation after the main operation. So after registering our plugin successfully, um, we can check our code it's working or not, like if we register a plugin on the basis of when a new lead is created. Okay, so we can check by going to the Dynamics 365 CRM, and we can check by creating a lead our custom code is executing or not. Okay, if in case it's your custom code is not working, or it's working but not as expected, so you can debug your code as well. So for debugging the plugin, we have an option in the plugin registration tool itself. So for using that, we have to add a profiler first and install the profiler. And after install the profiler, we have to do some configuration in Visual Studio as well. And after that, we can debug our custom code as well, which we wrote for as per our requirement. And that's all for today. If you find this video is helpful for you, so please hit the like button and share with your friends. And please subscribe our channel for getting the latest update. Thank you for watching.